Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slim with ETV. In this video, I have a really cool one for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at this Humixx smartphone case. So let's go ahead and get right into this and crack it open. So here we go. Peeling it open here. And let's see what we've got inside. Nothing else in the box, so we can set that over here. And here we are presented with the case, and let's pull that out. An installation toolkit, actually two of them, as well as two screen protectors. 1, 2, plus 2 camera protectors, which is awesome to see. I like when they double up on things in case you mess up on one or one of them breaks down the line maybe a year from now and you want to replace it. Hey, it's basically free because you already bought it. So let's go ahead and install these and I'll clean this up and I'll show you guys what we got. All right, so let's first take a look at the case here because I'm super excited to see what Humixx has sent out this time. Looks like we've got a frosted back iPhone 14 case right here. iPhone 14 Pro, I believe. Let's go ahead, grab the dummy unit and just make sure here. So we will stick it right in here. There we go. So yes, that is the iPhone 14 Pro inside of Humixx's new frosted smoke black case. And here is a look at the front in case you're wondering. Let's check the resivity on this one. As you can see, you can slam this one down and not have an issue. Button cutouts look great. Let's check the bottom, looking very good. The back camera resivity, let's check that out. Now I already have a camera protector on here and that looks good as well. Let's check the button feel. Button feel is great on this one. So here is what it looks like from the front and from the back. Just looks so clean. You can still see the Apple logo, but it is kind of hard to see on this one just because it's a dummy unit, but you can definitely still see it through. But inside of here, we also have screen protectors. So let's go ahead and just apply one of these screen protectors to the dummy unit just for fun. I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the kit. So we will pull this to the side, put this one here. And it does come with the camera protector, but I already actually did that, but there it is. That's what it looks like. So there's already one on there. So we will set that to the side here. So yeah, let's see what we get inside here. So we got the installation toolkit. Inside of here, we have a dust absorber. It's actually a static sticker, I think. Nothing else in there. We've got sticky labels, wet wipes, microfiber, as well as the static sticker. So let's go ahead and wipe this phone down and put it on. So I really don't know how this is gonna work on a dummy phone. It might not work at all, but let's go ahead and give it a shot. So this is the steps that you should probably take if you are going to apply one of these. First step is to open up the wet wipe and kind of wipe it down here. Get it all clean. Once all the grime is off of there, take the microfiber that is included and just give it a good wipe down, get it all dry. Make sure there's no liquid left on there. Everything is all cleaned off. There are some dust pieces. And then let's just use the dust absorber here. This uses static to get up a lot of the pieces here. So that looks good. Next, let's go ahead and remove this right here and let's apply it and see how easy it is. That was with literally no guide. Super easy to do. It's adhering right now. There it goes. It's gonna take a minute. Let me just inform you guys in case you guys didn't know, tempered glass screen protectors take about 24 hours to cure. So once you put it on here like this, you're gonna want to push out all the bubbles as much as you can. But as you can see, there's a couple small ones right in there. You can work on those and try to get them out, but there's a chance that some of those will be very difficult. You just need to wait 24 hours and they will work themselves to the edge in most cases. Now, this of course is a dummy phone, so I don't know if it will on this one, but on a real iPhone, a lot of these will go away on their own within 24 hours. I used to get super mad after I would put one on and I'd rip it off, get another one, and it would do the same thing. But turns out, if you just wait 24 hours, they typically go away completely. And that's the entire screen protector. So the feel of this is actually really good. You can see some of the heat imprints from my thumb because this phone is so cold, but realistically, this is a super smooth screen protector. I really like it. It feels just as good as stock. And now your phone is totally protected with this kit from Humixx. So if you want to check it out, I'll have links to it down below. It's a very nice kit. It comes with obviously the screen protector, the camera protector, and the case. The only thing I can knock it on is because it does not have an applicator. But as you can see, that was super easy to install. You're really not supposed to install them with a case on, but I did anyway. And it actually turned out, I think, perfect. So your mileage may vary, but check it out, guys. Humixx, they've sent us cases before and they've always been rock solid. So check them out. Links to them down below. That's all I got. If you liked the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.